I did my BTech in computer science from BML Munjal University in Gurgaon. And before joining Google, I was an intern in OK Credit. One of the common perceptions that we have in a college is you work on a project, so you need to start from the scratch. That was the first thing which we learned at Crio, that everything is built up, and if you need to add a feature, you will be adding that in a code base which is already there for you. It might look easy to just add a new feature in the code base, but you need to understand the flow of the code base, what functions are doing what task, and when you need to insert your feature into there, so how it will be communicating with other parts of the code base. So that is something which is missing in the college project and which was very well taught in Cryo. This whole flow is kind of very much what we do in an internship. Every new task or every new mini project that was started was given in the form of some statements which a team lead would tell you, like these are the things we need to do. So you think about those problems, the architecture is given, right? And then it is not stopped at that point of time. Even after that, how you proceed into a task, how you start doing a task, and what are the key elements you should focus on, what are the things you should learn before doing that task, all those things are kept into mind, and it is a very beautifully organized material. And the help, the community, the which is provided by Cryo, that is also very great. There was no point of time during the whole journey that I felt that I am not able to understand and I'm not able to get the help from anywhere. Having the Cryo experience was a very good plus point while getting that internship, because I was asked questions like how would you build this thing, or how does the backend for this look like, the basic concepts which are covered in Cryo. And even while making some projects, when I had to work on the backend, so since I had done Cryo and I knew that how the flow should work, so that helped me a lot for making those projects also. And those are one of the best projects on my resume right now, which I did personally, and I use the concepts I learned at Cryo. If I speak for Google specifically, I think mentioning the three main projects which I did at Cryo was a good part on my resume. And obviously, the competitive coding part also was covered a little bit in Cryo. So overall, I guess in every part there is some contribution of Cryo in my journey. If you are coming here so that you will be taught something, you will be spoon fed, or you'll just get an extra project on your resume but not doing much, then it is not the right option. You'll have to work hard, you'll have to put in effort on learning new things. It might the deadlines might become a little bit hectic on you, so that you have to learn how to take that pressure on you. And if you're coming here for learning new things and learning how to build a particular project, how the flow works, and basically how would you intern at a company, then this is the best place you can find. This is what student needs to do before getting into a company, because once you get into a company, then learning at that point of time might become a little bit difficult for people. So if you know that what kind of work you'll be doing when you join a company, then it is much better. And in addition to learning, you get a lot of cool projects on your resume. So that is always a plus point.